In this guide video of how to guide, I'm going to show you how to delete your Blooket account. If you don't want to use your Blooket account anymore and if you're trying to delete it, then in this video I'm going to show you the exact process that you need to follow to successfully delete your account of Blooket. Now if this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end and let's get right into it. First of all, open up your web browser and then search for blooket.com, which is the website of Blooket. Now once you land on this website, you can see a login button on the top right, so make sure you first log into your account. Now once you're logged in, you will see this interface. Just click on your profile icon on the top right or just hover over it and this drop down menu will open up. Click on settings. From settings, if you scroll down under edit info, you can see an option called delete account. So just click on the delete account option. Now lastly, before you delete your account, you'll need to type in the password of your Blooket account. This step is necessary to verify yourself, so just type in the password and then click on delete. Once you do that, your account of Blooket will be immediately deleted. And you'll be again taken to the login section, which means that your account has been successfully deleted. So that's the exact process of deleting your Blooket account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching.